Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is sliding door refrigerators. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For this unit, entirely about like a 54 inches long. The depth about like a 31 inches, totally include the handlebar. And the overall height is about like 84 inches tall. So as we can see, this unit is sliding doors, and we can see when we opened it, the inner side they're having the air circulating fan on top, the tube connections right here, and also have LED light strips on the side, on the both sides, and the front banners also LED display like they have lights inside. And when you see the shelvings, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelvings for each of the side. They are adjustable. And also when you're looking down the units, we're having the controllers right here from the famous brand called the Dexos. And you can set in the temperatures, the switcher for the lights and switcher for the powers. And inner side of the units, this bottom also using the stainless steels. And they have a water gene, the holders right here. If you have waters inside, you can clean out from this side. Let's take a look at the inner side dimensions too. For the inner side, they are about like a 25.5 inches deep. And the height is about like a 52 inches. And the length, they are almost like a 50 inches in total. When we open the other side of the door, you can see here we're having all the cut sheets right here, diagrams, and also have the ETL sanitation approvals certification from the NSF2. And they have a serial number for the machine for the faster service. And the door is not a shaft close. You need to manually close and open. And the units, they have a mounted the bottom, the compressors, and the control plugs using the 110 standard US plug at the behind. This will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.